Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate XML file and submit it to your Google Search Console. So let's get started. First of all, log into your website dashboard. /login. And then click on plugin, then add new. Now from here search for Jetpack. So Jetpack and click enter. You can see the logo here and by automatic. So click on install now and then activate. It'll take about a minute or two. Then click on dashboard. Now the Jetpack will be added here. So keep your mouse on Jetpack and then click on settings. Now from that menu here, click on traffic. Now scroll down. You can see here sitemaps. So you will be unticked, so you need to click on here. Then Jetpack will generate the sitemap for your website. Copy these and then open a new window and search for Google Search Console. And start now. If you need to log in, just click on login and you will take you to this page. From here on left hand side menu you can see the sitemap. Add a new sitemap. So I'm going to copy that and then enter it here. You can click submit. Now if you refresh, Google takes some time to submit your sitemap and you will say couldn't fetch. So wait 5-10 minutes before you refresh it, and then your sitemap will be submitted to Google. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.